you guys tired of these type of ball rolling everywhere while you crochet and want to learn how to make yarn balls with the center pull like this one just at home without using any fancy equipments? Then this is the video for you guys. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a yarn ball or a yarn skein into the center pull ones, or like this one without any yarn winder or anything or any fancy equipments. We're just going to use a cylindrical bottle like this, or you can also use newspaper rolled into a cylindrical shape. I have this yarn that I need to convert into a ball like this so I can do the center pull. So for this, the first thing that we're going to do is open this up, and it is something like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my thighs, and I'm going to take this, put the starting and ending point in the front, and I'm going to put it like this on my legs. So here we have the starting and ending point, as you can see. So this is the starting end of the yarn. Now I'm going to take my bottle and I'm going to tie it on this part. Like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'll take this and I'll start wrapping it around. So we have about this much on our bottle. I'm going to wind it but an angle. Earlier we were winding like this, but now we will wind like this. You see how that is at an angle, so we'll wind like this at an angle, and after every like 10 to 15 rounds we'll twist it lightly, and then we'll continue winding. After 10 to 15 rounds we'll twist it again, and then we'll continue winding. So we are at the end of this. This is what it looks like, and this is how much yarn I have left. So in this last moment, I will tell you one last time how we did this. So we take our yarn, we'll go at slight an angle like this, and then after some rounds, we'll twist it. You see this crisscross pattern? That's how it's supposed to look like. Then you'll go again in rounds. And this is where my yarn left. This is my yarn ending. Now for this ending, what you can do is you can take this yarn and tuck it between these few strands. So we've tucked this yarn into this few strands, and now we will take this off. So for this to take off, you will just have to push and take this out. You see this? I just cut this off, and now you got this stuff and this yarn strand. You can use it to center pull. You can see how easy and quick that was. That's it for this video. If you like this video, tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.